How to open a checking account with Wells Fargo online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to open a checking account with Wells Fargo online. So let's get started. First thing first, just head over to any web browser and simply search in for wellsfargo.com, which will take you to this page over here. Now simply scroll down and click on this checking option over here. So once you select this checking option, you will be redirected to this page where you will simply have to click on the open an account or similar button. So simply scroll down and click on this open now, and you can also read that you will be charged monthly fee, that is $10. You can also read about the how to avoid the fee, and you must be 17 or older to apply and must be 18 to open an online account. So now simply tap on this open now after reading such information. And also you need to keep in mind that $25 is the minimum depositing amount which you will have to deposit as an opening deposit. And once you're inside here, just tap on this let's go button over here to get started with the filling out process of online application with your personal details such as your social security number, your name, your address, your phone number, contact information. And once you tap on agree and continue, you just have to choose the type of the checking account you want to open, like everyday or checking, and simply carefully review the terms and conditions of the account and agree to them. Then you will need to fund the account with minimum opening deposit, which I mentioned previously, which is typically $25, and just review all of the information and submit your application. And once your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation email. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.